The next on the test would be my laptop, and yeah, I restarted this. Let's turn on this socket from my laptop. Yeah, for some reason this stopped. I'm not sure why it stopped, and it's very hot. This is overheated. It's very hot. Yeah, I don't know what would be happen to this. What would be happen to this inverter if I will use 1000 watt equipment. Okay, this started to charge. You see, like, it's blue. And let's start. It starts working, and it's consumed 56. It's about 50-60 watts. 63. Okay, this started more. 94. $45. 72. Actually, this works with the laptop, because the laptop consumes less power, much less power than my PC. But really, I was expected to receive 1000 watts, 1000 watts inverter. Okay, I need to get my mouse from. Okay, I started to load my my laptop. I tried to use like big assembly in SolidWorks, but I couldn't show you the screen for some reasons, because this is inappropriate, and it's a bit cooler than before. I will make rotation like something like that to make some heavy loads for yeah, like this, like to make some heavy loads for my laptop hardware. You see, like, it became higher wattage. What I'm thinking about, this inverter doesn't support maybe my power supply in my computer. But this is actually working with the laptop. But anyway, like 100 and 1000, there are different. That's 10 different. That's 10 times different. And what about the power consumption of this? It's 240 watts. 240 watts adapter. Yeah, I think my laptop never never used more than, I don't know, more than 150 watts. I will try to find something on my computer right now and try to overload this. Let me check this out. Okay, in this laptop I'm trying to open very complicated part in another software. Yeah, something like that. And I will try to, it's still opening. And I will try to heavy load this row to end. No, I think that's not easy task. Heavy load this PC. Yeah, actually, it finally works under 100 watts, but I was expected to have 1000. Yeah, like 100 doesn't work to me to supply my PC. Okay, I will try to use another heavy loading. Maybe I will get success. Actually, this is fine for laptops, like for the simple tasks on the laptops, but this doesn't work with PC because like under 200 watts is start to very overheating. Under 200 watts it start overheating. Okay, let's open something here. Let's see how the power consumption changed. Just to 45 watts. Okay, what is that? It's something hard, yeah. Hard part. But there is no changes here. Like it's consumed 700 and not overloaded. I will try to regenerate all. Generate report. Yeah, this might be not good software for testing, but really like on this PC, this is just less than 150 watts, which I couldn't test normally this device. Like, okay, this fine for the laptops, but my computer doesn't start, and it started on the very low setup, and I believe this is where it would be vulnerable to damage power supply in my PC. I'm really unhappy with this number, like, because this is overrated, very overrated. I think five times at least, and this should be divided 5 times. This is 200 watts, maybe 150 nominal watts. I don't know what this number is. Maybe this number is maximal like short overloading, but you need to specify the nominal power of this inverter somewhere. I do not see any specification about the nominal. There is no here. I do not see any nominal power for this inverter in instruction manuals. Nothing. Like what I see in the box. Made in China. Measurements. No specification about the power. Laptop working, but PC doesn't work, and I am not satisfied.